Let's understand what are different asset mix in mutual fund. For our example, we have taken three schemes of mutual fund. First is your growth scheme, second is your income scheme, and third is your balance scheme. We have taken three asset classes. First is your equity, second is your debt instrument, and third is your money market instrument. So for growth scheme, 70 to 90% of investment happens in equity, 5 to 20% happens in debt instruments, and 0 to 10% in money market instruments. For income scheme, 20 to 30% investment happens in equity investment, 60 to 70% happens in debt instruments, and 0 to 15% is invested into money market instruments, which is basically for short duration. Balance scheme, 40 to 60% investment happens in equity, 40 to 50% investment happens in debt, and 0 to 10%, that is just like growth scheme, 0 to 10% investment happens in money market instruments. Now there is one important concept in mutual fund that's called NAV, that is your net asset value. In the next video, we are going to see what do you mean by net asset value.